Stop ruining your expensive meat and wasting hours cleaning up multiple pots. Today, I'm showing you the 2 Amazon kitchen gadgets that literally changed how I cook dinner. If you want perfect results every single time, you need to see this. Ever cut into a beautiful steak only to find it's either raw in the middle or tough as leather? This smart wireless meat thermometer is the end of guessing if your food is done. What makes this a game changer is that it's completely wireless. No messy cables hanging out of your oven or grill. It's IPX8 waterproof, which means it's 100% dishwasher safe. You can monitor your meat from your phone while you relax on the couch. It handles up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, so whether you're smoking, grilling, or roasting, you get a notification the second it hits the perfect temperature. If you're tired of overcooking your meals, I've put the direct link to this smart thermometer in the description below. Check it out to see the latest price. Tired of washing 5 different pots just to make one dinner? This dual-pot multi-cooker lets you cook 2 completely different meals at the exact same time. This isn't just a slow cooker, it's a multitasking beast. You can bake, steam, or slow cook in both sections independently. Use the removable divider to keep your flavors separate, perfect for cooking a main dish and a side simultaneously. It's the ultimate time saver for busy families or anyone who hates doing dishes after a long day. You can find this multi-meal cooker at the link in my description. It's one of the best-selling kitchen finds this month for a reason. Using these 2 together is the secret to a stress-free kitchen. If you found these helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to pick and promote for more viral Amazon finds. See you in the next one.